James Allen with a full report on yesterday's qualifying.
These team offices set on a lake out the back of the Formula One paddock are an oasis of serenity. But there was nothing serene about yesterday's qualifying session. It absolutely tipped it down with rain, and if you weren't on the Michelin tyres, you were nowhere. The first sign of problems was the two Toyotas eliminated in the first knockout session. We lost both the Williams and Felipe Massa's Ferrari in the second knockout session, but Michael Schumacher heroically managed to squeak himself through by just over a tenth and a half of a second into safety and into the top 10 pole position shootout. David Coulthard was unlucky. A communication mistake with his team meant that he didn't come into the pits at the right time to change tyres, and so he missed out on the top 10, although that Red Bull was definitely quick enough to get him well up there. The two Renaults, well, they were comfortable in all three qualifying sessions. It was a 1-2 lockout with Alonso 0.6 of a second faster than teammate Fisichella on pole position. The two Hondas set identical lap times to within 1,000th of a second. When was the last time we saw that? But because Rubens Barrichello set it first, he starts third on the grid with Jenson Button fourth. Kimi Raikkonen is fifth for McLaren, and in sixth place is Michael Schumacher. He managed to get his Ferrari on the Bridgestone tyres up into sixth place with an absolutely amazing lap. If you look at the gap between himself and the nearest Bridgestone runner, you realise what an extraordinary lap it was from Michael Schumacher. He will be praying that this was the last rain we're going to see for the weekend. But Renault is saying, wet or dry, they're very confident about this Grand Prix.